So welcome guys. Today we are going to learn nanomaterial and the topic is nanotechnology. So in nanotechnology, what is nanotechnology? Nanotechnology is a manipulation of material at molecular and atomic scale. What is manipulation? Manipulation is nothing but a add or subtract of a material. See, like example, when we add two material or when we subtract two material from any solution or any compound, this is called as manipulation. So nanotechnology is a manipulation of a material at molecular and atomic scale. So what is molecular and atomic? Molecular means at molecular level, molecular scale, very small, 10 raised to power 9, at the range of 10 raised to power 9. Okay, so nanotechnology is a manipulation of a material at molecular and atomic scale. Simple definition. After that, the second point is nanotechnology is originated from Greek word dwarf. Okay, nanotechnology originated from Greek word dwarf. Nanotechnology is a 1 billion part of our meter. See, nanotechnology, nanometer, 1 nanometer is equals to 10 raised to power minus 9 meter. What is meant by 10 raised to power minus 9? 10 raised to power minus 9 is 1 billion part of a meter. 1 billion part of meter. 1 billion part of meter. So 1 nanometer is equal to 10 raised to power minus 9 meter. 10 raised to power minus 9 meter. Okay. After that, very important, nanotechnology is defined as a design, characterization, production and application of structured device system. Nanotechnology is nothing but a design, characterization, production and application of what? Of structure, of devices, of system by controlling shape, size and nanometer scale. By controlling shape, size at nanometer scale, called as nanotechnology. So clear? Okay. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, then subscribe my channel, comment, and if you want more from me, you will able to message me on Telegram and as well as in Instagram. I will solve your problem. I will try to solve your problem. Thank you for watching this video.